Hello, I'm Brent Ferris from the Bearded Man Studios, and I'm here to talk about initializing the firewall. So whenever you start your game, you may have tried to do some networking, and the moment you start the networking, the firewall pops up. It says, "Do you allow access?" And it basically prevents you from actually being able to connect. So it kind of destroys the connection you're doing and throws an error. And you don't want that for your players. And usually you want your firewall to pop up at the beginning of the game. So if we come over here and look at how I have it set up, inside of Unity on Canvas, I have the start game script. And if we open that up and scroll down to the start function, you'll notice that the networking library has a initialize firewall check uh, automatically that it's built in. Now this is a function that returns void. It's pure functionality. The only thing it's made to do is to kick off the firewall right when you start your application or whenever you put this line. Now basically how it sets up that is it's a simple little program that creates a TCP socket. It binds to a port that you request, and it fires off a listener, so it listens for connections. And then that's what causes the firewall to pop up, and then it automatically disconnects itself right after because its sole purpose is just to fire off the firewall. So it's nothing really special. It just fires off a listener and then kills itself so that the firewall is able to pop up. So you can write stuff into player prefs to say that you've already done an initial firewall check. You could leave this at the start, so every single time you start the game, it fires off that connection and closes. It's immediate. It's extremely fast, so it shouldn't cause any delay or anything. So that's all it's for, and we're going to see it in action right now. So since I have it on start, I'm just going to build out, and I'm going to build out as some random game name like Hello Game that I've never saved it out as before. Then when that comes up, whenever it comes up, there we are. I'm going to put play, and you'll notice that this firewall security alert has popped up immediately now that I started the game. Before I got into touching anything or starting anything else, I can already allow the game to be able to run networking. So that's all the initialize firewall does. It just kicks off this box for us to start so that we're able to continue. No, this does not fire off the firewall every time, just how Windows works. If I were to build and run it as the same name again, obviously it's per executable, so if I change the executable name, it will ask me again. But since it's already asked and accepted, it's not going to pop up with that firewall again. So that's what the initialize firewall is for. And yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Yeah, just I guess I'll talk to you later.